The ideal job for me would be corporate attorney. Corporate Attorney by Tamara Vandergriff, April 27th, 2018. In this presentation, I will be discussing my ideal job, the requirements, the educational requirements, the roles, the duties, and the skills needed to be a corporate attorney. What is a corporate attorney? According to the website you see up on the screen, a corporate attorney is an individual who works on behalf or for businesses or governments to provide legal counsel and services. The areas they would defend clients in and provide legal counsel would be areas such as financial and securities and or real estate law. A corporate attorney could have many names. A few of the names, as you see here, are in-house counsel, staff attorney, deputy general counsel, and chief legal officers. Educational requirements of a corporate attorney. In order to become a corporate attorney, one must do 4 things before becoming a corporate attorney. Then once they are a corporate attorney, they will continue to do continuing education courses. The first step towards becoming a corporate attorney would be to get a bachelor's degree in finance or business. The second thing one must do is to take the LSAT and pass it to get into a law school that is accredited by the American Bar Association. Once in law school, one must obtain what is known as the Juris Doctor degree. When they have graduated from law school, they take the state bar exam. They must pass that in order to become a corporate attorney. Once they have gone through all those steps, completed the 7 years of schooling, passed the bar exam, they will continue to do education courses in order to keep their certification up as a corporate attorney. The next couple slides, I will be discussing knowledge and skills of a corporate attorney. There are around 10 items an individual must know or have skills in order to succeed as a corporate attorney in corporate law. The first 4 are contract law, securities law, tax law, accounting. These are some of the major skills and knowledge an individual must have to be a corporate attorney. As I stated in the previous slide, there are about 9 or 10 different skills and knowledge an individual must have in order to succeed in corporate law as an attorney. We saw that there was contract law, securities law, tax law, accounting. Then you have bankruptcy, dealing with intellectual property rights, zoning laws, knowing how different areas do their zoning and work with the different areas, the licensing laws, and laws that are specific to the business the attorney works for or corporation that the attorney works for. A corporate attorney has many roles and responsibilities. A few of those are they serve one client, which is the corporation for which they are employed. Some corporations, smaller ones, will have one or two attorneys. Meanwhile, a larger corporation would have numerous attorneys at their disposal. The main ones, the main places that would have corporate attorneys on hand would be things like banks, hospitals, retail stores, firms, manufacturing and engineering companies. Those require the full-time services. As a corporate attorney, the primary objective is to serve the corporation's interests. The attorney does not serve the interests of the owners or the officers. It is primarily, he or she primarily serves the interests of the corporation. Continuing with roles and responsibilities of a corporate attorney. One role of a corporate attorney is to make sure that the client's business transactions are in compliance with the law, to ensure the legality of things such as commercial transactions. In turn, the corporate attorney will advise the corporations about their legal rights and their duties, which would include the responsibilities of the corporate officers. The corporate attorney makes sure that the corporate officers know their legal rights and duties as well as the corporation itself. The aspects we are talking about knowing, the contract law, tax law, that is all part of the roles and responsibility of a corporate attorney. In addition to the roles and responsibilities I have mentioned in the previous slides, there are some other duties a corporate attorney may face on a day-to-day basis. Some of those are negotiating employee contracts, preparing and filing government reports. They draft legal documents. The attorney would analyze legal issues, making sure that they are in compliance with the proposed products in relation to them. They administer training workshops. Those are just to name a few. Those are some duties a corporate attorney would face on a day-to-day basis. Now that I have gone over the educational requirements, the roles and responsibilities, the duties, knowledge and skills required to be a corporate attorney, we are now going to take a look to see if there is a positive outlook for a career as a corporate attorney. A corporate attorney, a typical salary ranges from $66,000 to $170,000 a year. That depends on the amount of experience, work experience the individual has as an attorney, the geographical location, the type of employer he or she is working for. However, in 2016, there were 792,500 corporate attorney jobs. In 2017, the median pay for a corporate attorney was $119,250 a year. which equaled out to $57.33 an hour. By 2026, the job outlook for a corporate attorney will increase by 8% to 8% by 2026. It will keep increasing at least by 8% by 2026. The employment change going from 2016 all the way through 2026 is estimated to be around 65,000 jobs, which means there will be more jobs as a corporate attorney available than there were in 2016 up until 2026. There are other options for similar jobs to a corporate attorney if a person would like to do something similar, just not necessarily corporate attorney. Similar jobs would be things such as mediator, a bailiff of the court, a legal assistant, an administrative law judge, a legal executive, court reporter, police, law enforcement official of any kind. There are always other options. You can go from being one of like a mediator, court bailiff, administrative law judge. If you want to go to corporate attorney, they go hand in hand. Just if you have a criminal justice degree, all that would go hand in hand with a corporate attorney, which would be an advantage to an individual who would want to pursue a career as a corporate attorney. As I was doing research on where I would like to work as a corporate attorney, if I were ever to decide to pursue a career as a corporate attorney, I came across a law firm. I've always wanted to live in Florida. I came across a firm in Jacksonville, Florida, known as Akerman LLP. They are ranked as one of the top 100 law firms in the United States. The Financial Times recognizes Akerman as one of the most forward-thinking law firms. Akerman has 700 plus attorneys spread out over 24 offices across the U.S. Akerman collaborates with some of the world's most successful enterprises and also entrepreneurs. They help to seize opportunities and overcome barriers. All this helps them to overcome barriers to innovation and growth. They are a client-driven enterprise. They also extend globally, not just through the US, they extend globally. So they are all over the world, which would be an awesome firm to work for. While doing my research on Akerman LLP, I came across some interesting facts. Akerman is known for getting excellent results in the middle market of mergers and acquisitions, and they help to resolve disputes that could be complex for some clients, and also help the clients in some of their most important objectives, such as financial services, the real estate, and other dynamic sectors related to the client's business, how they can help them deal with the running of the day-to-day operations and to make sure they are in compliance they keep in compliance with the law. Whatever the law, however the law changes, to make sure they change with the law. After doing extensive research on being a corporate attorney, what it would take to be a corporate attorney, how much schooling I would have to have, the roles and responsibilities as an attorney, I feel the knowledge and skills with my background. I have a background in criminal justice where I am a paralegal. I'm studying to be a paralegal. I feel that as a paralegal, it would help me in that field of corporate attorney to be able to understand the terms. I gain a little bit of experience along the way. And doing research on Akerman LLP, I feel I would love to work with this firm. They seem to have great knowledge about the corporate law field. They have an all-inclusive employment, people from all races, which helps the dynamics, and a very dynamic work environment. The practice areas, just to name a few: bankruptcy, corporate, intellectual property litigation, all seem very interesting to me. So I feel I would love to work with this firm and make a career as a corporate attorney with Akerman LLP. That is all for the main part of this PowerPoint. The next few slides are some of the websites that I researched. So please take a look at the references, the websites I went to find the information. All of this research has been very helpful and very educational in learning how one or I could become a corporate attorney. Thank you.